Hey, my name is Joan, and today I'm going to show you how you can make stunning, professional leather card holders easily and hassle-free. But first, let me ask you something. Don't you wish there was a better way to find detailed step-by-step instructions which are simple and easy? Or do you ever wish you could stop spending hours and hours on the internet searching instructions for your leather project? If you answered yes to any of those questions, then you'll want to pay close attention for the next few moments, because what you're about to see not only makes crafting your first leather project simple and easy, it's also the fastest and most efficient way to get it done. If you ever struggled trying to find detailed instructions for your leather project, trust me, I get it. I used to struggle with this very same thing as well. It seemed like no matter where I searched, it felt like I was destined to deal with inaccurate instructions forever, and I was extremely frustrated, and honestly, I was just fed up with the whole thing. However, right when I was about to throw in the towel and give up, I realized something. Surely there had to be other people out there like me, so I started doing some research and found something very interesting, to say the least. After spending countless hours searching decent instructions for my leather craft project, I decided to document my next cardholder project and break it down to simple, step-by-step video tutorials. It's a fact that, searching from Google, Pinterest, YouTube, and on, there is so much information that people get overloaded quickly. If you are frustrated as I was when looking piece of information here and there online, you'll want to keep watching this video. Because if you had the sneaky suspicion there is easier way to learn and create your first leathercraft project, you're right. See, I found out I definitely was not alone in struggling to find detailed step-by-step instructions. I was sick and tired of spending hours watching YouTube videos and searching instructions from the blogs. That's why I created Make Your First Leather Card Holder from Scratch online course. With Make Your First Leather Card Holder from Scratch online course, all the guesswork is taken out for you. The whole project is broken down to simple, step-by-step video tutorials, so you'll never have to spend hours finding piece of information from a long video or a blog post, and you'll get not only one but 3 different printable card holder templates. Now, surprisingly enough, none of that is what makes the Make Your First Leather Card Holder from Scratch so effective. What makes this course so effective is it gives you also the ability to learn on how to customize your card holder using leather dye and edge color. See, with Make Your First Leather Card Holder from Scratch online course, you're not only able to craft your first leather project, but you will also learn how to customize it as you wish. I know this may all seem a little too good to be true. Trust me, I get it. I know firsthand how hard it can be to trust these kind of offers, even if you really want to, which is why I don't want you to listen to me. Instead, listen what real people have to say about Make Your First Leather Card Holder from Scratch online course.
Great starter for someone interested in leatherworking. Bonus classes help a lot in buying leather.
Comprehensive with good explanations on tools and steps. Nice bite-sized that included variations.
The truth is, Make Your First Leather Card Holder from Scratch online course consistently works for everyone who uses it. Now, if you're thinking you have never crafted anything using leather, the answer is simple, because Make Your First Leather Card Holder from Scratch online course contains complete instructions from start to finish, leaving absolutely no guesswork, yet simple enough for complete beginners. You also may be wondering that you don't have tools and leather for the project, or you have limited budget. I've also figured out a way to solve that as well, because I'll also cover in this course where you can find leather and tools suitable for all kinds of budget. And if you don't have a large workspace, don't worry, you only need a small working table to accomplish this project. And to make things even better, Make Your First Leather Card Holder from Scratch online course is backed by 30-day money-back guarantee. That means that you can try it out for a full 30 days and make decision to see if it's really right for you. By now I'm sure you're wondering how much is this going to cost. That's the best part of all, because Make Your First Leather Card Holder from Scratch online course is only one payment of $27, and if you purchase today, you'll also get access to these bonuses as well. Customize your card holder with leather dye bonus lessons, and customize your card holder with edge color bonus lessons. As you can see, Make Your First Leather Card Holder from Scratch online course is all you need to get for crafting your first leather project. So if you'd like to skip all the hassle for searching instruction online and start crafting your leather project following simple, step-by-step instruction, Sign up to the Make Your First Leather Card Holder from Scratch online course while you can, because once this video is taken down, who knows when it will be back up. And imagine how it would feel to finally have the answers you were looking for, only to let it slip right through your fingers. Because not only will this course teach you how to craft your first leather card holder with step-by-step video instructions that makes crafting leather fast, easy, and fun, it will also give you more time and freedom to do things you enjoy. The time to break free from spending hours to find detailed instructions for your leather project is now. So go ahead and click the button below this video and sign up to make your first leather card holder from Scratch online course today. I look forward to seeing you in the members area.